Hello everyone to the second exercise. We're going to do another oval. Now this time we're going to start with a short axis, with the minor axis. Again, we're going to get ourselves a segment as vertical as possible. And this time it's going to be even quicker, in the sense that we're going to draw our arcs, long arcs, and at the same time it's going to also serve as a segment bisector. We're going to open. We could really open to any point we want to, but in this case, in this particular case, this is what we're going to do. We're going to draw here a very long arc, and with the same radius, we go to the other extreme, and we get ourselves an eye-shaped form, like this. Okay. In fact, I'm going to get myself that minor axis a little bit customized, like this. This is also going to leave us the long axis, which is not going to be the long axis itself. It's just, as you can see, a segment bisector. And then we're going to determine here, for instance, this is going to be, let's call it properly, it's going to be O1. Let's call it O1. And of course, at the other side, I wish to do exactly the same thing, the same center, only perfectly mirrored, like this. Here we are going to get ourselves O2. Let's write it down, O2. And now the rest is pretty straightforward. You probably already know the drill. We will just only have to join the centers of our arcs together, and those straight lines are going to provide the tangency points. Let's mark them. Let's label the tangency points. For instance, here we would get ourselves, let's see, T1. Let's draw it here, small enough. This would be T2, here T3, and finally here T4. Now, in order to finish, I'm going to change the color. I'm going to do it a little bit thicker, and I'm going to start drawing, you see, the little circumferences, the little arcs. Here, one. Oh, that was so inaccurate. Let's get a little bit closer. There we go. Should be somewhere like there. No, not yet. Open it enough. Here. A little bit bigger. Come on. Sort of. Yeah. So much better. And with the same radius, let's go to the other side. Let's hope for the best. There we go. Kind of. And now with the other two centers. Let's see if this is good enough. Not that bad. And finally the other side. Let's see if we are able to open it from here to there. A little bit wider here. Okay, that would be it. And now again, let's draw the same thing, only with a little bit of thickness. For instance, let's assume we want to get that thickness like this, here. Now we go to the other center of the big arc, open it to the new tangency point, like that. Nice. Let's go for a 1 in this particular case. Close again. And let's finish our oval by getting into that final center and joining this point, this tangency point, with that one. Okay, kind of. I wish you are so much more accurate than I am, okay? I just want you to be a little bit more accurate than I am. So, then that would be it all. Thank you so much, and let's join me on the third exercise.